Hello everyone, happy Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you had a good start to your work week or your school week. But now is no time for that. Now it's time to Rix, Flix, and relax at a theme park. Let's get to it. Today I'm at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Kind of a slower season, so it's easier to get a reservation for this park now. Also, at 7 o'clock this morning from my bed, I got a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance. So I'm gonna do that today, that'll be fun. But you know what? Man, it is such a beautiful day. I keep teasing Rick's road trips. Today would have been a good day to take you guys to the beach via a live stream. Hold on to that thought. I may do that pretty soon. Hold the phone. It appears we're gonna start our day with a cavalcade, or I should say motorcade in this instance. I'm not gonna lie, I want the Buzzmobile. So I got here sort of at a weird time. Yeah, it's kind of brunch time. Not time for breakfast, not time for lunch. So I think I want to do is go get the wrap, the breakfast version over at Galaxy's Edge. So let's go do that. Let's start off with breakfast, or a brunch. So I was trying to find something for around $10, but it was not possible. The cheapest thing I could get right now looked like to be the breakfast wrap at about 13 bucks. Well, I've made it into Galaxy's Edge, and I can see right away that Rise of the Resistance is down at the moment. That's okay. You know, I had a while until my boarding pass anyway. I'll just have a little longer to wait, but I got plenty of stuff to do, so. But hopefully it won't take too long to have my boarding pass number called. I mean, I have a brunch to eat anyway, so I'm all good here. Okay, I've made it to Ronto's Roasters. Time to click that I'm here, prepare my order button. And here is my breakfast wrap. With tax, came to a little bit over $13, but I've had this before. It's pretty good, so I think I'll enjoy it again this time. So a pretty good breakfast sandwich. I like the sausage in it. I forgot it came with a sauce. I'm not crazy about the sauce. I should have said light sauce. It will, however, keep me full all day long. I won't need to get another snack today. I do have a bit of an assignment from Nikki to work on here in Galaxy's Edge today. She's really been enjoying the little assignments I've been giving her to do some editing work. She's been liking that a lot, you know, for the bonus videos. So we're planning a bonus video where she's going to do the editing, but at the end of the day, before I leave, I have to come back here, shoot some B-roll. But for now, we can leave and go check out, I think, Toy Story Land. Or I could stay here and help Ray. Looks like she needs some help. Looks like she's working on one of the land speeders, and land speeders is one of my specialties. Welcome to Andy's backyard. Let's go check on the wait time for Slinky Dog Dash. The wait time for the alien swirling saucers is 30 minutes, so I'm gonna guess the wait time for Slinky Dog of, I don't know what, 60? You think 60? We'll get there and find out. Well, I'm wrong. Just a listed wait time of 45 minutes. Do you want to see if we can do it in 30? Toy Story Mania is just 25 minutes, but that's way more fun when you have a friend with you. And I'm here by myself. I guess it will be to the end of the line of Slinky Dog we go.
I'm trying to hang on, but look at my little arms. I can't hold on to anything.
I have started the timer to see how long it actually takes, but you know what? I got all day. Other than I do have to get back to the Rise of the Resistance. Once the boarding pass is called, I still have like an hour after that once it's called, so should not be an issue. At this point, I've been waiting for 10 minutes and the wait time has gone up to 50 minutes. I got the clock going. We're gonna find out the real deal. And now we begin the switchbacks. This is where we are, 20 minutes into the wait. Switchback, switchback, switchback. I'm not going to show the gentleman's face, but the people behind me are having a hard time adhering to the simple rules of stand at your line. I mean, I'm not in favor of the pandemic, but I am in favor of social distancing. Looks like we're going to do it in around 30 minutes. Just what I was wanting. Here we go! Here comes the humps. Well, that was fun. A fun little ride. I was lucky I got a seat near the back row, not the very back. Usually I like to get the last row, but during these pandemic times, I haven't been bothering the cast members requesting that. They have a difficult enough challenge dealing with the circumstances that they have to deal with. So when it comes to coasters now, it's just the luck of the draw for me. But when it comes to Slinky Dog Dash, I do recommend the back row. I think it's the best for this particular coaster.
Subscribe!
And I say it's the best row mainly because of the humps of this coaster. If you're sitting in the back, you can really see all the humps going. So for that reason, for this one, I say back row. My boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance still has not been called. So let's, you know what? Let's go down Sunset Boulevard, check on Tower of Terror. For Slinky Dog Dash, for me, the back of the line was right here. It's now, right up there's the back of the line. And they're still saying 50 minutes, though we know it only takes about 30. So you know we're here during a slow period. There's Toy Story Land, but the markings for Slinky Dog Dash go all the way back over there for busy days. So over here by Star Wars Launch Bay, these are the last of the standing stickers for Slinky Dog Dash. If you get in line for Slinky Dog Dash back here, God bless you. God bless you. And speaking of long lines and crazy switchbacks, this is the line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It looks intimidating, but the posted wait time's just 40 minutes, so don't be afraid of the lines. I know they're really scary sometimes. And here comes the motorcade again. We've already seen it though. I tell you what though, if the wait time for Tower of Terror is the same as Railway, I'll do it. I'll do that in a heartbeat. I could just check the app for the wait time, but that would be no fun for you guys. This way, walking here to see the wait time, I get to give you a view of Sunset Boulevard, and it's a mighty pretty view. I can't read my phone screen, but I can see far away, and it looks like the wait time's just 30 minutes, hot dog. We are going on the Tower of Terror today. See, I told you I could see far away. Just can't read comments on a live chat without my glasses though. So the end of the line is way back here. Once again, scary looking, but should be just 30 minutes or less. We are now 10 minutes into my wait, but it is providing a pretty good shot of the tower right now. This is the view from the 20-minute mark. Well, that was pretty good. I got on my dot at 30 minutes.
For me, my name is Kyle. If you have any complaints, my name is not Kyle.
about that? A fun turn on Tower of Terror. My favorite ride here at Walt Disney World. All of Walt Disney World, all the parks. Now, it's not the best ride for a POV. That's why I do that upward facing shot. I find that to give the best view, the best POV of Tower of Terror. Hope you enjoyed it. And as luck would have it, my boarding pass has been called for Rise of the Resistance, so let's boogie on over there. As I'm walking over to Galaxy's Edge, I realized there's a problem with Hollywood Studios. I just figured it out, but I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. Alright, my boarding group has been called. Let's just hop in the queue and we'll see you on the other side.
I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave.
You got a green light trying to get close, don't you? Okay, you're clear. Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Well, there you go, Rise of the Resistance. I only did a couple clips that time. I do have a full POV of the ride. If you click right up here, you can see the full POV. But for now, I just gave you a taste of it. And it tasted good, didn't it? Okay, little kid Rick and me is freaking out right now. I love these helmets. Oh my goodness, an adult X-Wing helmet, $70. You have a youth X-Wing for $50. And another youth for $50. Oh, these are awesome. I would, you know what? I would love one now. As for right now, though, I need to shoot that B-roll for Nikkis Special Project. Look for that coming soon. Not sure when she's going to get it done, but within a couple weeks, I hope to have it ready for you guys. Okay, I'm done shooting my B-roll for Nikki, but there's one more thing I have to do for her, but we've got to leave Galaxy's Edge in order to do it. Yeah, Nikki is enjoying her little editing projects. She was upset that she did not have a project last week for her to work on. So we got some stuff in the process right now, trying to give her another assignment, and we'll see what she comes up with. I think it'll be pretty good. Obviously, it is something to do with Galaxy's Edge, but no more clues. No more clues other than that. You know what? I do need to find someone to sing a top 6 today, though. But you didn't hear that. You didn't hear that. So I have to go buy Nikki a mug. And here's the story behind why I have to buy her that mug. I am one to stay up late at night and get up late in the morning. Nikki is the opposite. She goes to bed early and wakes up early. So what I like to do, since I'm up latest, I like to have the family room and the kitchen all cleaned up so that when she comes down for the first time in the morning, everything looks nice. So one night, I was hustling, trying to clean up the kitchen, and I spun around real fast, and my hand knocked down one of her favorite mugs, a Mickey mug, and it broke. I now owe her a mug. Luckily, I can get those mugs here at Hollywood Studios. Let me go show you the ones I'm talking about. Oh, and I can't forget, I have to explain what is wrong with Hollywood Studios. I'll do that before I leave as well. Here at the Celebrity 5 and Dime on Hollywood Boulevard, they sell kitchenware in here. This is where I need to go for my mug. And here they are, Mickey and Minnie Sweet as Pie mugs. It's the Mickey that I broke. And just my luck, they don't sell them individually. I have to buy 2. Therefore, this Minnie one, she's going to be mine. And Nikki can have the replacement Mickey to go with the current Minnie one that still stands intact. $28. Well, I have now purchased the replacement mug. I used the joint account, not my personal account. I'm getting the last laugh again. Now, let's see if I can find a spot in the shade to explain what's wrong with Hollywood Studios. Well, I couldn't find any shade, so I'll just stand here by old Bo and tell you what I think is wrong with Hollywood Studios. Not enough live music. They have like music playing throughout the park, but nothing live. You know how Universal has Marilyn and the Diamond Bellas singing? I think they should have Elvis here. Have Elvis do a couple sets. That'd make me happy. But that's just one man's opinion. And with that opinion being said, let me remind you, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rix Flix. And now, Bo says it's time to relax.